Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen faucets, a seemingly simple fixture that can actually make a big impact on your daily kitchen life. Whether you're renovating your whole space or just replacing a leaky friend, choosing the right faucet can be overwhelming. But fear not. In this video, we'll break down 10 key things to consider, turning you into a faucet-selecting pro. So grab a cup of your favorite beverage and let's get started. 1. Function first, pull down, pull out, or traditional. Think about how you use your faucet. Do you need a high arc for filling tall pots? Maybe a pull down, sprayer for rinsing dishes or reaching every corner of the sink? Traditional handles offer a classic look, but pull down or pull out options add versatility. 2. Sink compatibility. Size matters. Measure your sink's deck and number of holes. Will a single hole faucet fit, or do you need a deck plate for a wider spread? Ensure the spout reach allows comfortable filling and cleaning without splashing. 3. Flow rate and spray power. Find your balance. Consider your water pressure and usage habits. High flow faucets might feel luxurious, but if your pressure is low, it could be frustrating. Look for options with adjustable spray patterns for powerful cleaning and gentler rinsing. 4. Finish frenzy. Stainless steel, chrome, or something bold. Match your faucet finish to your sink, appliances, and overall kitchen style. Popular options include stainless, steel, chrome, matte black, and even brass for a vintage touch. Remember, finishes can affect upkeep, so choose wisely. 5. Handle happiness. Knobs, levers, or touchless. Think about ergonomics and ease of use. Knobs offer classic charm, levers provide precise control, and touchless faucets promote hygiene. Consider your dexterity and preferred cleaning methods. 6. Smart faucets. High-tech convenience. Smart faucets connect to your smart home system, offering voice control, temperature adjustments, and even leak detection. While cool, weigh the tech features against your budget and tech savviness. 7. Budget blues. Striking the right balance. Faucet prices vary widely. Determine your budget up front and prioritize features that matter most. Remember, quality materials and brands often translate to longer lifespans. 8. Installation woes. DIY or pro help. Assess your comfort level with plumbing projects. Simple faucets might be DIY friendly, but complex installations are best left to professionals. Factor in potential installation costs when budgeting. 9. Sustainability smarts. ECO-friendly choices. Look for faucets with water-saving features like aerators and low-flow options. Sustainable choices can save you money on water bills and reduce your environmental impact. 10. Warranty-wise, peace of mind matters. Choose a faucet with a good warranty to protect yourself against unexpected leaks or malfunctions. A longer warranty often indicates a manufacturer's confidence in their product quality. And there you have it, the 10 key considerations when selecting a new kitchen faucet. Remember, your kitchen faucet is not just a functional tool. It's a statement piece in your culinary space. Take your time, weigh the options, and make the choice that best suits your needs. Thanks for joining me on this faucet exploration. Remember, the perfect faucet is the one that suits your needs, style, and budget. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to finding the kitchen faucet that will make your life easier and more enjoyable. Black faucets have gained popularity for their sleek and modern appearance, but many homeowners wonder why water spots seem more noticeable on these dark finishes. The appeal of black faucets. Black faucets have become a sought-after choice in contemporary interior design. The rich, matte finish adds a touch of sophistication to kitchens and bathrooms, creating a visually striking focal point. The challenge of water spots. However, one drawback often associated with black faucets is the visibility of water spots. Unlike lighter finishes that may camouflage these spots, the dark color of black faucets can accentuate any mineral deposits left behind when water evaporates. Understanding water spots. Water spots are a natural occurrence caused by minerals found in hard water. When water droplets evaporate on the faucet's surface, minerals like calcium and magnesium are left behind, forming visible spots. While this happens with faucets of any color, the contrast is more apparent on black finishes. Prevention and maintenance. Keep your black faucet looking pristine. Regular cleaning is essential. Use a mild, non-abrasive cleanser and a soft cloth to wipe away any water spots. This routine maintenance will help prevent the buildup of mineral deposits. Gentle cleaning materials. Opt for soft materials like microfiber cloths or sponges when cleaning your black faucet. Avoid abrasive pads or harsh chemicals that could scratch or damage the surface. Water softeners. Consider installing a water softener in your home to reduce the mineral content in your water supply. This proactive measure can significantly minimize the occurrence of water spots on all faucets, including black ones. Narrator: black faucets are a stunning design choice. They offer several benefits. Modern appeal: black faucets instantly modernize the look of any bathroom or kitchen. Versatility: they pair well with a variety of styles, from contemporary to industrial. Hides minor imperfections. The dark color can help conceal minor scratches or fingerprints. The challenge of water spots. Narrator: now, let's address the elephant in the room, water spots. Unfortunately, black faucets are more prone to showing water spots compared to lighter finishes. This is because the minerals in hard water leave behind white residue when the water evaporates. Living with black faucets. One side shows a happy person enjoying a clean black faucet. The other shows a frustrated person scrubbing water spots. Narrator: so, should you avoid black faucets altogether? Not necessarily. Here's how to strike a balance. Choose the right finish. Look for faucets with a spot-resistant finish. This coating repels water and makes it harder for water spots to form. Practice regular cleaning. Develop a cleaning routine. Use a soft cloth with distilled water and mild dish soap. Harsh chemicals can damage the finish. Dry thoroughly. Always dry the faucet after each use with a microfiber cloth to prevent water spots from forming. Consider water softener. If you live in an area with hard water, consider installing a water softener. This will significantly reduce water spots on all your fixtures, not just the faucet. Narrator: with a little care and planning, you can enjoy the timeless look of black faucets without the worry of water spots. Remember, regular cleaning, choosing the right finish, and potentially addressing hard water issues can go a long way in maintaining the beauty of your black faucets. In conclusion, while black faucets offer a stunning aesthetic, dealing with water spots is part of the maintenance process. By understanding the causes of water spots and implementing preventative measures, you can enjoy the elegance of black faucets in your home for years to come. Thank you for joining us in exploring the world of black faucets and water spots. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Which of these faucets is your favorite? Let us know in the K-10 Faucet 3-hole remote valve kitchen faucet. The Kohler K-10 for 3OBN Faucet 3-hole remote valve kitchen faucet is a stylish and functional faucet that is perfect for any kitchen. It features a single lever design that makes it easy to control the water flow and temperature, and a high arch spout that provides ample clearance for filling tall pots and pans. The faucet also includes a convenient side spray that is perfect for rinsing fruits and vegetables or cleaning up messes. The Kohler K-10 for 3OBN Faucet 3-hole remote valve kitchen faucet is made from durable metal and finished in a beautiful brushed nickel finish that is resistant to corrosion and tarnish. The faucet is also backed by Kohler's limited lifetime warranty, so you can be confident that it will provide years of trouble-free use. Here are some of the key features of the Kohler K-10 for 3OBN Faucet 3-hole remote valve kitchen faucet. Single lever design for easy control of water flow and temperature. High arch spout for ample clearance for filling tall pots and pans. Convenient side spray for rinsing fruits and vegetables or cleaning up messes. Durable metal construction with a beautiful brushed nickel finish. Limited lifetime warranty. Kohler K-10 for 3OBN Faucet 3-hole remote valve kitchen faucet. Pros and cons. Pros: design, functionality, durability, water efficiency, easy to clean, precise control, ADA compliant. Cons: cost, installation, reach, water spotting. Overall, the Kohler K-10 for 3OBN Faucet 3-hole remote valve kitchen faucet is a stylish and functional faucet that is perfect for any kitchen. It is made from durable materials and backed by a limited lifetime warranty, so you can be confident that it will provide years of trouble-free use. Next in line is the Delta Chrome 16970 SDD SDK single handle faucet with pull-down sprayer and Soap dispenser. Delta is a trusted name in the industry, and the K-10 series is no exception. The Delta Chrome 16970SD DST K-10 single-handle faucet is a kitchen faucet that features a pull-down, spray wand, a soap dispenser, and a magnetite docking system. The pull-down spray wand is designed to provide flexibility and reach, while the magnetite docking system keeps the spray wand securely in place when not in use. The faucet also features diamond seal technology, which is designed to prevent leaks and ensure like-new operation for the life of the faucet. The Delta Chrome 16970SD DST K-10 single-handle faucet is available in a variety of finishes, including chrome, stainless steel, and bronze. It has a 4.4-star rating on Amazon, with users praising its quality, style, and functionality. Here are some of the key features of the Delta Chrome 16970SD DST K-10 single-handle faucet. Pull-down spray wand for flexibility and reach. Magnetite docking system keeps the spray wand securely in place. Diamond seal technology prevents leaks and ensures like-new operation. Available in a variety of finishes. 4.4-star rating on Amazon. If you are looking for a kitchen faucet that is stylish, functional, and durable, the Delta Chrome 16970SD DST K-10 single-handle faucet is a great option. Here are some additional things to consider before purchasing the Delta Chrome 16970SD DST K-10 single-handle faucet. The price of the faucet can vary depending on the retailer and finish. The faucet requires a single hole for installation. The faucet is covered by a lifetime limited warranty. Here are some pros and cons of the Delta Chrome 16970SD DST K-10 single-handle faucet. Pros: diamond seal technology, magnetite docking, pull-down sprayer, included soap dispenser, lifetime warranty. Cons: installation, sprayer hose length. Overall, the Delta Chrome 16970SD DST K-10 single-handle faucet is a high-quality faucet that offers a number of features and benefits. However, it is also more expensive than some other faucets on the market, and it can be a bit more difficult to install. If you are looking for a durable and reliable faucet with a lifetime warranty, then this is a good option. However, if you are on a budget or are not comfortable installing a faucet yourself, then you may want to consider a different model. Last, but certainly not least, we have the Kohler K-10 Versa Sue's kitchen sink faucet. Kohler strikes again with a faucet that combines style, innovation, and practicality. This faucet boasts a vibrant stainless steel finish that not only complements your kitchen decor but also resists corrosion and tarnishing. The high arch, spout, and 3-function spray head make cleaning and filling large pots a breeze. Additionally, the built-in soap dispenser adds an extra touch of functionality to your kitchen. Inspired by the efficiency and style of professional kitchens, the Kohler Sue's faucet elevates your home cooking experience with its exceptional functionality and sleek design. Let's delve into its key features. Design. High arch spout with exposed spring. This iconic design element offers superior clearance for filling tall pots and cleaning bulky items, while the spring adds a touch of industrial chic. Single lever handle simplifies temperature control and water flow adjustment with effortless ease. Vibrant stainless steel finish provides a modern, polished look that complements any kitchen style. Functionality. Pull-down sprayer extends and retracts smoothly, offering ultimate reach and flexibility for various tasks like rinsing dishes, filling containers, and cleaning hard-to-reach areas. 2-function spray head switch between a powerful stream for focused cleaning and a broad sweep spray for wider coverage, all controlled with a convenient touch activation button. Pro-style performance. Inspired by professional kitchens, the faucet boasts durability and resilience. 2. Handle demanding everyday use. Additional highlights. Deck plate included, accommodates single-hole installations for a clean and streamlined look. Easy installation, designed for effortless mounting to simplify the upgrade process. Kohler reputation, backed by the trusted Kohler brand, ensuring quality, reliability, and lasting performance. Potential drawbacks. Price. Compared to standard kitchen faucets, the Kohler Sue's falls into a higher price range. Single hole requirement, not suitable for sinks with PRE drilled multiple faucet holes. Here is a list of pros and cons for the Kohler K-10 Versa Sue's kitchen sink faucet. Pros. Professional look and feel. Superior functionality, easy to use, durable construction, limited lifetime warranty. Cons: installation, size, sprayer head, soap dispenser. Overall, the Kohler K-10 versus Sue's kitchen sink faucet is a premium choice for homeowners seeking professional-grade functionality and a touch of restaurant-inspired style in their kitchens. Its exceptional design, flexible spraying options, and durable construction make it a worthwhile investment for those who value quality and performance. There you have it, our top picks for the best 3-hole kitchen faucets in America. Whether you're drawn to the sleek design of the Kohler K-10 for 30BN Fort, the convenience of the Delta Kate single handle faucet, or the innovative features of the Kohler K-10 versus Sue's, each of these faucets brings something special to the table. That's it for today's comparison video. Let us know in the comments which kitchen faucet caught your eye. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more reviews and comparisons. Until next time, happy kitchen remodeling.